Hey guys, so we're parked and we're heading into the Lowrider show in Sacramento, California. Come along with me, let's go inside. Let's see what a proper Lowrider show looks like. So we made it to the Lowrider show here. They let us in. We're gonna go check this place out, see what we can find, see if we can find Alex with Hoppos and learn something, get some inspiration, and see what we're gonna do to the Gold 64 Lowrider. You know, I've made it inside. It's almost like going to SEMA. You get off the train, you see all the cars outside, you get lost because there's so much cool stuff. Check this airbrushing out. This is insane. I don't know if in the video it's doing justice to just how wild that is. We got sound systems going in the cars. We got pump systems and articulate, intricate line work. Look at this. The time and passion so far that I'm seeing in these cars, the artwork in the paint, just the presentation of the booth, it's something like you don't usually see. It's awesome. We're gonna see if we can make our way around. We got about, I don't know, 3-4 hours of the show. So we're gonna get as much as we can, see if we can talk to some awesome people. So far, I had a cool couple conversations with guys. People are real receptive to talking, and anybody that knows me knows I make friends with the wall. So let's go have some fun. Check this out. At least they're using the Super Duty to pull the cars. That's how we roll. These kids out here are just cruising the strip in their Impalas, rolling on 3 wheels, hopping down the road. They got their trucks and trailers here. Wildly cool. This is absolutely wild. The cars are incredible. Got to give respect where respect is due, and always have. However, I didn't expect that I would be at one of the biggest lowrider shows in the US. It's wild. One thing I see in these builds that is a very big consistency that I don't see in diesels, that I don't see in import stuff, is it's physically every single piece of the car. If you didn't touch something with engraving, with chroming, with some sort of personalized touch, you're missing your mark. It's truly every single nut and bolt to take it to that next level, and incredible. So there's been some wild cars, and truly they're incredible artwork. This one for me, so far out of the show that I've seen, is my favorite. Just the clean elegance of it and the way that it's presented and done. I'm gonna show it to you right now. I learned a little bit about these box dancing trucks. The system under there is a full hydraulic setup. Goes forward and backwards, left and right. So it's a very intricate setup, but it's another way that the hydraulic guys are showing off their skills and how they're controlling these cars and throwing that personal twist on them. Each one of those red rams controls a different actuation on how that box operates. It's backwards, side to side. And if you've ever seen the videos online, these guys are hopping them all over the place and they're dancing the boxes around. Hands down, the Lowrider magazine floor covering is the winner for me today. That is the coolest one. Better than any carpet, better than any glass. That shows that you've been, either you went and bought a whole bunch of magazines to do that, or that's how long you've been in it. That's a one car you would never, and I mean never, think to be at a Lowrider show. I'll give you a minute to guess, and I'm gonna blow your mind. Another thing that I think is super cool, you see it a lot of shows, you see a lot of families, you see young guys bringing their kids out and their wives and stuff. Never seen the family culture like this. They got groups everywhere, all of the clubs, going from 2 years old and babies all the way to, they got the walkers and the, you know, the canes and stuff like that. So super, super cool. Everyone's matching, it's truly a family event. It's incredible. All original stick shift Camaro on them wires. Oh, wild. You know, I came here originally thinking I had some sort of idea on what to expect. The style of car, what people were gonna do, what I was gonna see a lot of, and honestly, I was wrong. There's everything. There's Corvettes, there's old school Camaros, there's trucks with boxes that pop, there's new cars. We got window etching on some of them. Here, check this out. We got the RC cars, we got bikes, Harleys, we got cruisers, things that should be probably a lead sled. We got Ford Rangers. We got, didn't expect to see a drag car. Here we go. And here, we got more of the new style. I've seen some guys on some other YouTube channels. They're building newer style cars, and there's no judgment at these shows. There's no, you shouldn't do it. I've talked to a few people. What's your thought? Doesn't matter. You're here. You're enjoying it. You're loving it. Another super cool thing that I'm learning is Lowrider guys, they're just truck guys in car form, off-road guys. The suspension geometry. My background is much more started out in off-road and diesels and big lifted trucks. So I ask these questions with these suspension angles and how link arms are done and stuff like that. The big player cars, the ones that really compete, they actually are more of an off-road style geometry. That's what they're going for. It's the right angles, it's things like that, high travel. So these worlds that everybody thinks are so different really aren't that different. Another one's the food. Oh man, it smells so good. I don't know what to try here. you didn't say you had a show truck.
What's that?
You didn't say you had a show truck.
No, this is the work truck, man.
Hey man, I just want to say thank you for absolutely everything. Thank you for having me here. Thank you for helping us at the shop. I look forward to working with you more.
Dude, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what you guys got going, dude.
We're learning, but we learn fast. So,
like I told you before, anything you guys do, just reach out, man.
And to say likewise, man. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome, man.
Thank you for having me and making me welcome and everything you've been doing for us. And teaching us and taking your time. It's
for you guys.
Great. Yeah, absolutely, man. It's a pleasure. Till next time. That's going to conclude the first Lowrider show that I've been to. We're hanging out at the Hoppos booth. If you need anything hydraulics, you call these guys. Alex and his dad, wealth of knowledge. Everybody else I've met today, it's been a pleasure to meet you guys. And everyone's been so welcoming. You need hydraulics, you talk to Hoppos. You don't talk to anybody else. I don't care who you think's the best. It's Hoppos. They don't care if you have their equipment in a vehicle or somebody else's. They want to help, they want to build a community, and they love this world. So reach out to Hoppos. It's been amazing at this show. Seeing these cars is truly jaw-dropping. The amount of money that's in these cars, the amount of time, passion, energy, thought, it's incredible. That's going to do it for the 2025 Lowrider Super Show put on by Monster Energy. It was amazing to come down here, learned a lot, saw a lot, and learned a lot about the style and what people are doing with these cars. It's really incredible. Next time we're playing with Lowriders, it's going to be at World of Wheels Calgary in 28 days. So I better get in the truck, start making my way back to Canada. Show season is a go.